Hi. In the New Testament, John 1:1 says, "In the beginning it was the verb," which means in the beginning it was the mantra, it was the sound. In the beginning it was the sound. In the beginning of what? In the beginning of the present period of manifestation of the universe. So, sound created our universe, the universe we know. Mantra, a pattern of vibration, sound, created the universe we know. But I would say, okay, in the beginning it was the verb, sound, the word. But before the beginning, it was the silence. And silence never gave us up. Silence never left us. Silence is right now with us. Silence inspires us. And the verb that we know, the verb that we are able to know, often misleads us because it is not the true verb. We are not apt, we are not capable of listening to the true word. And therefore we mislead ourselves. In order to cease misleading ourselves, we must get to the true word, the true logos, the true sound. And the true sound must be heard in the silence. The unmanifested world, the world before the beginning, is also available after the beginning and during all the times and all the phases of any one of our lives. We can always listening to the voice of the silence, and it inspires us. If we put silence in terms of space and look at our solar system, we will see that pure space, which is the equivalent to silence, is much vaster, much greater and bigger than the space taken by physical bodies in our solar system. So the void is greater and more intelligent than the bodies. We have an aura, an atmosphere around ourselves, and in this atmosphere there may be more intelligence, a higher form of intelligence than in our physical aspect, in our physical body. So space is to silence as bodies, material bodies, are to sound. Sound is manifestation, a body is a manifestation, but pure space is pure intelligence. And if we look at space and listen to the voice of the silence, we get more intelligence, perhaps, more perceptive. But not only more perceptive, also more active. We get active from a higher and more efficient point of view. He who can be in silence is able to listen, really listen to the others. He who can remain in silence can listen to his own conscience. So, when we renounce personal acquisitions, we can possess that which is really valuable, which is wisdom, at least some small degree of wisdom. It is by renouncing to objects that we get to the pure space in our own conscience.